Currently, I'm in my WordPress media section, and here we can see maximum upload file size is currently only 2 megabyte. Let's click on select files, and now if I select this music from my computer, and here we can see this music exceeds the maximum upload size for this site. So now I'll show you how to easily increase this maximum file upload size. Go to add new plugin page, and here search for big file uploads, and now all you have to need install and activate these big file uploads increase maximum file upload size plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left hand menu hover over on settings and click on big file uploads, and you directly jump into the plugin dashboard. Here we can see currently my maximum upload size is 2 megabyte. Now all you have to need here, just increase your maximum file upload size. I'm adding 500 megabyte. You can select GB also, and now currently we can see these maximum upload file size will be applied for all WordPress admin users. If you want to customize by user rule, you can enable it from here. Then just click on save. Once saved, I'm going back to my media library and clicking on add new media library, and here as you can see my maximum upload file size successfully increased to 500 megabyte. Now let's click on select files and selecting the same audio file, and here we can see my big file is uploading without any error. Thanks for watching.